All right, so I'm gonna grab something quick. Okay, so we're in Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. I don't want to get you on camera.
Get Bear on camera.
Look at the size of this dog. It's a very big dog. How much is he weigh?
About 170.
170. Giant dog. But this is the project we're working on. Customer's really cool. But this is it. It's red oak. She had an outfit come in to refinish this, and they were supposed to match it. It's not matched. I mean, it's in the same family, but it's not. I don't like bad mouthing other outfits, but it's just not, it's not right. But anyway, we're gonna sand this whole thing down, and she wants it to be uniform. Probably should have took the video before I put the plastic up, but down here, you can see, let me undo this quick. If you look down there, you can see she wants to match. We're doing the steps too. The steps, the risers, and this handrail here. But it's like a grayish, beige color. I'm thinking it's called weathered oak. It might be a mixture between weathered oak and silver. Classic gray, sorry. Weathered oak and classic gray. But yeah, so that's what we're getting ready to do. It's like, I don't know, 500 square feet, maybe 600. Oh, we're doing the hallway too. There's a set of steps going up here and the hallway too. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at. We're also doing the baseboard. We took the baseboard off. The customer's gonna be staining the baseboard for us. She offered to do that, so I'm gonna bring it tomorrow. Set it up for her on some sawhorses and let her, you know, go to town. But yeah, so this is the before video. I will be sure to post the after video. I've been slacking a little bit on this YouTube thing because I got so many other things going on, but yeah, I gotta get the drum sander here. But yeah, anyway, so stay tuned for the finished product. It's gonna look nice. I mean, these floors are nice. We're in Camp Hill. This is like my #1 town. I mean, we've done more work in Camp Hill than any other town by far. Mechanicsburg as well, but yeah, I love this area. Gotta make sure we do an extra good job because there's a lot. I think all these houses probably have wood in them. So do a good job at this house. We're gonna get more of these homes, I'm sure. Yeah, a lot of times when we're working, neighbors will stop by because they'll hear the drum sander, they'll hear the noise, try to put a sign out front so they can see what's going on. Obviously something's going on, so I like to make it be known, you know, so that's just a little thing that I like to do to try to get more work. It does help getting your name. When you do a good job, especially, you're not going to please everybody. I don't please everybody, but I try to do the best I can with really anything I do, but especially when I'm getting paid to do what we do, and it's an art, so I take it pretty seriously. So yeah, stay tuned. I think we'll be out of here by Thursday. It's Monday today. We'll have that whole thing stained, I would think, by either tomorrow or by lunchtime Wednesday. And then we'll come back the following day, polyurethane it, and then slap the trim up, and we'll be out of here. So I would think it's a 3 to 4 day project. That's what I told her. We're not going to need Friday. And honestly, I'm thinking about maybe taking Friday off and going to Hershey Park, taking the family to Hershey Park. So that's my plan for this week. So hope everybody has a good week. Thanks for watching. Have a good Monday.